What is up? Thanks for clicking on this video today. We're trying some new products and we are trying a new style. We're doing a twist out, and I don't think I've ever done a twist out on my hair. Is that weird? Like, I've had people do them for me, but I've never done one on my own self. Or like 2 years ago is the last time I had a twist out. These are the products we're using. I'm super excited. These are products that are owned by a Black woman. These are Black owned products. The person that actually, the human that made this, let me stop. What I was trying to say was these products are owned by a Black woman, a natural hair influencer here on YouTube, 𝐏𝐂𝐃85. I'll put her in the description box, but you probably heard of her. She is popping. She is doing her thing, and these products are popping. Okay, this cream, I have absolutely fallen in love. I do not use a lot of shea butter products. Like, that's like the main ingredient, and I'm pretty sure that was the main ingredient in this. It does say with shea butter plus natural oils. Sometimes I think that shea butter is kind of overwhelming, but this product is not overwhelming at all. It is a subtle smell of shea butter. Here I'm just trying to eyeball my parts because I knew I was gonna wear my twist for a little while before I took the twist out. And other than getting the parts neat, this was a super duper easy twist out. All I did was spray water. That's all that's in this water bottle. And then I did a little bit of detangling, which was super easy. I did use my As I Am leave-in, and this is the consistency of that cream. This is the only product I used after my leave-in, and it is super defining. My curls were eating this product up. I did not have to use a whole lot of it. I did add a little bit more once I got to my ends, but that was it. I just twisted it down, which is pretty self-explanatory. I feel like anybody can do this style. That's why it is so loved and appreciated, and it's also very protective for your hair. When I got to the ends, I did detangle a little bit more and then twist it down as far as I could, and then just did a little coil around my finger. I'm not sure what you, but you know, like you do the little twisty twist with your finger at the ends. And my hair was looking so good. It looks so shiny, and my ends look so curly. My hair was just, the shrinkage was like perfect. Like, you know, when your hair got that bounce, that is doing something right. And this is what my hair was looking like afterwards. I think I look so cute. I look kind of childish, but this is how much product I use. Really appreciate how long this product is going to last me. It was a little expensive, honestly. I mean, I feel like it was the right amount for this product. I did wear my twist for a couple of days. I did add some of this oil, some of this holy oil to my scalp, and that was good. But where I went wrong is the day I took it out. I was applying the oil on my hair, like to every section, because when I watch other people take their twist out, they say that they use oil to take their twist out, but my hair was too oily. Like, it was weighing my hair down. I was not feeling it, and I was trying to stretch it, trying to get some volume, but it was just not reacting the way I wanted it to. So I think I used way too much oil. My hair is not used to having all that oil, so if I would have just left that oil on my scalp and then took the hair out, it would have been fine. But these are the results. It looks super cute still. Let me know what you guys think. I did enjoy doing this style, and I also enjoyed making this video, so like it for your girl. And yeah, I'm out. Bye.